Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 2 of Unit 3, which is kinds of adjectives. Students, in the previous class, I have explained you about adjectives and I told you there are 6 types of adjectives: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. And in previous class, I also taught you about adjectives of quality. Students, I hope you understood what is adjective of quality. We'll just do a quick revision of adjectives of quality. As you all know that adjectives are describing words and there are different kinds of describing words, right? Some of them say how, others say how much or how many or even what kind of. And the adjective of quality tells us about what kind of a noun, pronoun is. Okay? In adjective of quality, we get the answer of what kind. For example, what kind of person is your father? So you could say, my father is very polite, or my father is very good looking, right? So this is adjective of quality, where you describe the quality of a noun or pronoun. Today, we will learn about the second type of adjective, which is adjective of quantity. So what is adjective of quantity, students? Quantity means the measurement of something. For example, there is some water in the jug. You don't know the number, you cannot measure, you cannot count water. Can you count water? You cannot count water, right? So therefore, you will say there is some water in the jug. So some, the word some is adjective of quantity because it is telling you the quantity of water which is in the glass. The next example, we have got sufficient rice. We have got sufficient rice. Again, rice is uncountable. Rice is an uncountable noun. So for that, we use sufficient. We cannot count rice. And the adjective of quantity which is used here is sufficient. Alright. So this is sufficient is adjective of quantity because it is telling you the quantity of rice. So when you get to know about the quantity of something, the word which describes the quantity of a noun or a pronoun or a thing is adjective of quantity. Can you give me a little ice cream? So little is again telling you the quantity of ice cream. So when you get to know about the quantity of a thing, it is called adjectives of quantity. I hope you've understood it. Now there is an exercise given on page number 38. Let us practice. I request you to take your pencil and write it in your book. You have to do the exercises in your book only. Now you may start writing when I give you the answer. I want dash ice cream, demanded Sneha. So students, ice cream is uncountable And what adjective of quantity can we use for ice cream? We will use some. I want some ice cream. We cannot say I want one ice cream or I want two ice cream because ice cream is uncountable. So we'll say I want some ice cream, demanded Sneha. So in the first blank you will write some. How much? Asked her mother. As dash as I can eat, replied Sneha. As dash I can eat? What should be the answer in the blank which is given here? As much as I can eat. So students, again, much is adjective of quantity. So we will write much in the blank, in the second blank of this exercise. As much as I can eat, replied Sneha. Mother said, ice creams are tasty, but they do dash harm to our body. So what should be the answer in this blank? What should we write in this blank? Mother said, ice creams are tasty, but they do lot of harm to our body. You can write lot of in the blank which is given here. No, Mama, ice cream is good. I want to eat dash now. So, tell me the answer. No, Mama, ice cream is good. I want to eat a little now. You can write a little. A little is again telling you the quantity of ice cream. This is adjective of quantity. I want to eat a little now. Can you get me dash? Said Sneha. Can you get me some? Said Neha. You can write some in this blank. So can you get some? Said Neha. We don't have dash at home. We don't have dash at home. What should we write in this blank? The last one. We don't have any at home. So we'll write ANY, any, at home. We should get it from the market if you need, said her mother. Alright, so we have completed this exercise. I hope you have understood what is adjectives of quantity. Students, adjectives of quantity gives the answer of how much, means kitna, right? Thoda, thoda sa, bahut zyada, kuch. So these are the answers which we get when we get the answer of how much. So in English, we get the answers in the form of the words such as some, sufficient, great, little, more, much, any, lot of, etc. And all these words are called adjectives of quantity. I hope you have understood it. Now I want you all to revise the same lesson number 1 of unit 3 and lesson number 2 till here, adjectives of quantity. You have to revise it. Read it 2-3 times and practice the exercises based on these topics. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.